Hello student, welcome to Chitrans Academy. Today we will continue with our trigonometric part. It is your 8th lesson. It is about the trigonometric ratios. Okay, just we have understood the problems. अभी तक हमने जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशोज के वैल्यूज़ और उनके जो फॉर्मूलेज थे वो चेक किया था कि हाउ वी हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल द फॉर्मूलेज. ओके, सो नाउ टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ आवर एक्सरसाइज 8.1. ओके, सो द क्वेश्चन सेज in figure triangle PQR is given. We have triangle PQR where angle R is of 90 degree. That means ये जो angle है कौन सा है? Right angled triangle है. Okay, then we have to write the following ratios for sin P. So these are two remaining angles which are acute angle. So we have to write the value of sin P with respect to angle P. We have to write the values of cos Q with respect to the angle Q, and for tan with respect to Q as well as P. Okay, so what is the formulas for ratios like sin theta and cos theta? You know, so we have to remember this trick that we have already seen. What is it? It is OAO upon HHA. Just you have to remember this formula in your mind, or you can write in rough work also. So solution. So we are deriving the formula for ratio sin P. Sin P. So with respect to this angle, the opposite side will be RQ. So we have to write for angle P. For angle P, RQ is opposite side. RQ is opposite side. Opposite side. Then PR will be adjacent side. PR will be adjacent side. And PQ is hypotenuse. With respect to for angle Q, for angle Q, PR will be opposite side. So we have to write PR is opposite side. Then RQ is adjacent side. RQ is adjacent side, and PQ is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. That you have to write in side by side so that you can derive formulas for all the ratios. Okay, so we have sin P. What is sin? Sin theta equals to, we know, or we here we have P, so we have to write sin P equals to, what we have sin P equals to? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So we have to write opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So for P here, which one is opposite side? RP, RQ, yeah, QR you can write QR divided by hypotenuse is PQ. So you have to write PQ. So this is our first answer. Or in short we can write sin P equals to QR divided by PQ. Okay, so it is opposite side is RQ. Okay, so now next problem we have cos Q. This is the first. Now second. What is second? It is cos Q. So what is cos theta? It is adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we have to write adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, so for Q, adjacent side is RQ. So we have to write RQ divided by hypotenuse is PQ. So we have to write PQ, or we can write cos Q equals to RQ divided by PQ. Now for 10p, third, we have to evaluate value for 10p. So what is tan theta? Is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So for P, what is opposite side? For P, opposite side is RQ. So we have to write RQ divided by adjacent side. Adjacent side is PR. So we have to write PR. Okay. Or we can write tan P equals to RQ divided by PR. So this is the answer. Now last but not the least, fourth one, it says 10p. No, it is for 10q. 10q. What is tan theta? It is opposite side divided by adjacent side. It is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So what is opposite side? Opposite side for Q is PR. So we have to write PR divided by. For Q, adjacent side is RQ. So we have to write RQ here. Or we can write 10Q equals to PR divided by QR or RQ. So this is the answer. Okay. So we have solved the first problem of your exercise 8.1. So there are few more problems that you have to solve on that basis also. So to remember the formula, just you have to remember OAO upon HHA. This part will going to help you to solve all this type of questions. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write, or you can take a screenshot. So student, now we are going to solve the fourth question of your exercise 8.1. So the remaining two questions, that is question number 2 and question number 3, will be homework for you. Okay. So if you are getting any doubt, just call me between 4 to 6 p.m. in the evening every day by Monday to Friday. Okay, or Saturday also, except Sunday. So the question says it has two triangles. In a figure we have two triangles. Here angle PQR is 90 degree, that is right angled, and PQS is also right angle, and there are two angles which have given, which is angle R, it is represented by the alpha, and angle this one QPS, or you can say as PQ angle, which is represents as theta. So we have to derive all the ratios for the angle alpha as well as for theta. Okay, so we are going to solve. We have to understand with respect to angle alpha which side will be opposite, adjacent and hypotenuse. So we have to write over here. So this is the अंडरस्टैंडिंग पार्ट. ओके, ये आपके लिए एक समझने के लिए पार्ट है, इसको आपको जो फेयर है उसमें नहीं उतारना है. इट इज जस्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो फॉर एंगल अल्फा, सो अल्फा के अपोजिट वाली साइड क्या होती है? अपोजिट साइड. सो अपोजिट क्या साइड क्या हो जाएगी? पी क्यू. सो पी क्यू विल बी अपोजिट साइड. फॉर एंगल अल्फा इसके रिस्पेक्ट में वो अपोजिट साइड होगी. देन आर क्यू विल बी एडजेसेंट साइड. आर क्यू ये हो जाएगी एडजेसेंट साइड. एंड दिस वन, द साइड जस्ट अपोजिट टू द राइट एंगल इज हाइपोटेनस. सो पी आर PR will be hypotenuse. This is for the angle alpha. Now for angle theta. For angle theta. So थीटा के अपोजिट वाली साइड है QS, तो QS हो जाएगी, QS हो जाएगी अपोजिट साइड. सो ये अपोजिट, सो इसको जो लगी हुई साइड है वो होती है एडजेसेंट साइड, दैट इज PQ इज एडजेसेंट साइड. सो PQ विल बी एडजेसेंट साइड एंड 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट वाली साइड होती है हाइपोटेनस, सो PS हो जाएगा हाइपोटेनस. सो PS इक्वल्स टू हाइपोटेनस. सो दिस इज द पार्ट दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. अब हम देखेंगे हमारी ट्रिक जिसके थ्रू हम सारे के सारे रेशोस वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करने वाले हैं. सो और वो ट्रिक क्या है? इट इज OAO अपॉन HHA. ओके, सो दिस वी विल यूज वेल राइटिंग द रेशोज. सो अब हम करेंगे सॉल्व फर्स्ट वाला पार्ट. व्हाट इज फर्स्ट? वी हैव साइन अल्फा. वी हैव साइन अल्फा. Sin alpha. So for angle alpha, sin theta equals क्या होता है? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So we have to write opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So for angle alpha, opposite side कौन सी है? PQ. So we have to write PQ divided by hypotenuse alpha के लिए क्या हो जाएगा? PR. So we have to write PR. This is first answer. Now for cos alpha. Cos alpha. What is cos theta equals to? Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we have to write adjacent side divided by hypotenuse equals to. So with respect to angle alpha, adjacent side कौन सी है? RQ. It is RQ divided by hypotenuse PR. So this is second answer. Now for cos alpha, tan alpha, sin, cos and tan. Tan alpha. What is tan theta equals to? Tan theta equals to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So we have to write opposite side divided by adjacent side. So for alpha, opposite side is PQ. So we had to write PQ divided by adjacent side is RQ. So we had to write RQ. So this is the solution for your first part. Okay. Now for second part. Second part says sin theta equals to, again sin theta equals to, we have opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So we had to write opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So with respect to angle theta, we have opposite side QS. So we had to write QS divided by, with respect to angle theta, we have hypotenuse is PS. So we had to write PS. So this is the answer. Now for cos theta. So cos theta we have adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So we had to write adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So with respect to angle theta we have adjacent side PQ. So we had to write PQ divided by hypotenuse is PS. Now last but not the least for tan theta. Tan theta. So tan theta we have opposite side divided by adjacent side. So we have to write opposite side divided by adjacent side. So with respect to angle theta we have opposite side QS. So we have to write QS divided by, with respect to angle theta we have adjacent side PQ. So we have to write PQ. So these are the 6 answers which you have to derive from this diagram. Okay, so here we have completed our exercise or practice at 8.1. So question number 2 and 3 will be homework for you. Okay, so keep practicing. ये जो question है बहुत ज़्यादा easy है. Just you have to remember this tricky part. What is it? It is OAO upon HHA. Okay, so if you wanna write, you can write or you can take a screenshot. सो आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. एंड जस्ट कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग बिकॉज दिस पार्ट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और इसका एडवांस लेवल आपको 10th में भी आने वाला है, इसीलिए ये बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. जस्ट कीप रिपीटिंग. ओके, एंड इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी डाउट जस्ट कॉल मी बिटवीन 4 to 6 PM in the evening and my number is 9730305883. Okay, so bye for now.